नमस्कार। प्राणिक हीलिंग के प्रणेता ग्रैंड मास्टर चोआ कोक सुई को शत शत नमन। ग्रैंड मास्टर चोआ कोक सुई ने प्राणिक हीलिंग को सर्वसुलभ एवं अत्यंत सरल प्रकार से प्रस्तुत किया। प्राण शक्ति द्वारा उपचार की पद्धति यूँ तो अत्यंत प्राचीन है, ऋषि मुनियों द्वारा इसका प्रयोग किया जाता था। कालांतर में यह पद्धति प्रायः लुप्त हो गई थी, परंतु ग्रैंड मास्टर ने प्राण ऊर्जा द्वारा उपचार की पद्धति का विकास किया। प्राण शक्ति या प्राण की मुख्यतः 3 स्रोत हैं: सौर्य प्राण शक्ति, वायु प्राण शक्ति एवं भू या भूमि प्राण शक्ति। सौर्य ऊर्जा द्वारा प्राण शक्ति जो प्राप्त होती है वह केवल दिन में ही प्राप्त की जा सकती है, या भूमि द्वारा वो भी उतनी सरलता से प्राप्त नहीं होती, लेकिन वायु द्वारा जो प्राण शक्ति है वह हर जगह हर एक स्थान पर सर्वसुलभ प्राप्त हो जाती है। इस पर ग्रैंड मास्टर ने गहन अध्ययन किया और अंततः यह परिणाम निकाला कि इस पद्धति द्वारा उपचार को विकसित किया जाए तो वह सर्वसाधारण के लिए अत्यंत उपयोगी होगा। अतः इस दिशा में उन्होंने कई वर्षों तक कठिन परिश्रम करके इस पर कई पुस्तकें लिखी और इसका उपचार किया, लोगों को इस तक पहुंचाने का बहुत प्रयास किया, जिसमें उन्हें पूर्ण सफलता मिली। ध्यान पद्धति को भी उन्होंने ध्यान द्वारा भी की पद्धति को भी उन्होंने विकसित किया, जिसमें 2 हृदय ध्यान अत्यंत सरल और बहुत प्रभावशाली है। प्रार्थना या ध्यान करने से व्यक्ति उपचार प्रक्रिया का दैवी माध्यम बन जाता है। 19 मार्च आज ग्रैंड मास्टर चोआ कोक सुई का महासमाधि दिवस है। मेरी ओर से उन्हें कोटि कोटि प्रणाम एवं अश्रुपूरित श्रद्धांजलि समर्पित है।
ग्रैंड मास्टर चोआ कोक सुई, known to tens of thousands of pranic healers and erratic yoga practitioners worldwide as Master Choa or MCKS. He is the president of the Institute for Inner Studies and World Pranic Healing Foundation. He is also founder of Modern Pranic Healing and Erratic Yoga. Grand Master Choa is a spiritual teacher and a true embodiment of his teachings. His rare depth of wisdom is a result of the alchemy of his experience as an enlightened guru, chemical engineer, philanthropist, businessman, and scientist. His more than 30 years of research, proclivity for experimentation on the wise use of subtle energy has made him a master of energies. Master Choa was born on August 15, 1952 in Cebu City, located in the southern part of the Philippines. He was born to a wealthy Chinese family with a very strong business background. Although he got exposed to the business world early in his life, his focus shifted to his spiritual mission. According to his mother, when he was a very young boy, he did not play with toys or with other kids in the streets. He just read and read in his room, oftentimes missing his meals. On occasion, he would buy a book and proudly show to his siblings and cousins who were just more interested in playing. He asked his parents incessantly about the lives of the spiritual beings like Saint Francis of Assisi and Saint Teresa de Avila. Since then, his mother knew that he was different from her other children. At the very young age, he had already read and studied many books on healing. He also considered himself a walking encyclopedia on esoteric knowledge and healings. His inquisitive attitude and his avid interest accumulating more knowledge through study and through experimentation continued throughout his life. In his young adult life, he met several remarkable men, first spiritual mentors. Through his spiritual mentors, Mang Dabon, Mang Nehet, and Mang Mike, he was able to contact his Sadguru, primary permanent spiritual teacher, Mahaguruji Meiling. Mahaguruji means respected great spiritual teacher. One of his spiritual mentors prophesied that he would be spreading spiritual teachings. As he was studying in the university, he did not put too much emphasis on it. In fact, he said if he had known about his very difficult mission, he would probably have been overwhelmed by the Herculean task and would have avoided his destiny completely. However, his teacher Mahaguruji Meiling and his disciples, being wise and patient, gently and steadily guided and prepared Grand Master Choa to fulfill his dharma or life mission.